What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Dragon Ball Sparking Zero on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now once you have done that, we can locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website and quickly search up the game Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Select it. And after that, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is available with the temporary offer of €52.49. Now what you need to do is use the workaround we have and click on the link in the description where it says find game here. So click on that link, you will be redirected to this web page, and now search up the same game Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Search for the game, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, we need to watch two things. We need to search for a PC version, so search for the PC version, and also search for a version which can be activated in our country. So this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found one, select it, and after that you will find out that this game is already available for just €38.99 compared to the price on Steam of €52.49. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online, and once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!